Hey guys! Well, thanks for joining me again for another Pixie Talks review vlog.
Pixie Talks, reviews and vlogs at Pixie Talks. Pixie Talks, reviews and vlogs at Pixie Talks.
Woo! So last week I reviewed an older DreamWorks title, so it seems only fitting that I would review a new one. I've been really interested in this movie since the trailer started coming out. A fun little comedy about an alien invasion? Sign me up. This is Home.
E.T. Phone Home.
Ha, I couldn't not make that joke.
DreamWorks Home.
Take that.
Jim Parsons and Rihanna team up in this animated sci-fi to form the unlikely duo of O, the alien invader, and Tip, the young human girl. It is that kind of unlikely team-up story where two people from vastly different backgrounds end up having to work together and learn from each other, and I kind of have a really big soft spot for that sort of setup. O is one of an alien race called the Boov, who invade and take over the Earth. Tip is a young girl who evaded capture and is now on a mission to locate her mother. When O finds himself on the run from one of his disastrous screw-ups, they find themselves working together. Both of them are social misfits, and both of them find solace in the friendship of the other. If I will criticize this movie, it's that it is a rather obvious and painfully common formula without much to shake it up. Add to that its over-the-top silliness and unimaginative humor, and yeah, this is one of those kids' movies! Oh look, their car is made of gas station food, ha ha! Oh look, O tries to eat a urinal cake, ha ha! Oh look, the Boov are totally dumb and stupid and can't understand basic objects, ha ha! Some of the humor was fun, but most of it was fairly tiresome and eye-roll inducing. That said, the movie shines the most in its quieter, more emotional moments. It really does a great job of conveying an emotional journey for these characters, O especially. You feel for him as the outcast of the Boov, and you get easily invested in his struggle to understand and learn from his new human friend. Their chemistry together was beautiful, and their development as characters was stellar. Now, the really great, big, awesome deal of this movie is, of course, representation, which is always kind of interesting to talk about because there's always going to be a few people in the comments that don't think you should talk about it. But the fact that this movie revolves around a black girl is huge. And it shouldn't be. It shouldn't have to be a big deal. But the fact is that Hollywood does not make very many movies that are not centered around a white male hero. And don't come at me with, but cartoons aren't important. Children's media is doubly important because it informs the way that we think about the world from a very young age. And we need more of this. We need more diversity in our media in general, especially in our children's media, because representation matters. And Tip is awesome! I absolutely loved her as a lead. She tore up the screen whenever she was around. She was courageous, emotional, funny, and completely relatable. The way that character development and establishment was handled in this film was absolutely excellent. The animation and art style were absolutely great. The visuals were adorable and vibrant. The design of the Boov is endearing and adorable. Are they another gold mine like the Minions? Maybe not, but these little guys are certainly up there, especially when they start dancing. DreamWorks is catching up to their Pixar nemesis with every film. Was it a perfect movie? No, it often felt overly juvenile, even for a kids' movie, and I like to see a little bit more intelligence in the humor aimed at children than this. But it had a lot of heart going for it and was utterly adorable in a whole lot of ways. You might not fall completely in love with this flick, but I'm pretty sure you'll get something out of it, even if it is just Jim Parsons' amazing voice.
DreamWorks Home.
Take that.
And that's it for my review of Home. Please do be sure to subscribe for more, and you can add me on Facebook and Twitter. And with that, I will see you next week.